cabbages and broccoli. And over here we've got lettuces, chives, bok choy, radishes, and baby carrots are coming up, onions, flood and drain. I've been eating these broccoli, like the side florets that come off, and then now these broccoli are out of control, riot of flowers, which I'm just leaving for the bees. This is coriander. That's the nutrient level in the things just there, pretty much level with the bottom of the neck pots. It rises up a bit when it fills up with roots. More bok choy, coriander, more bok choy here. These are ready to go, come out. Coriander, cos, romaine lettuce. Well, this whole bottom row is ready to eat. These are snow peas growing up there. I'll probably train them up over these strings here. We've got more snow peas over here that we're eating now. Plenty there. With these tomatoes in the Dutch buckets, I just take clones off them and start them off, and then just plant them up in here. So I've got a succession of the same plant. Really easy. So here's my tomato clones. I just started them in rock wool cubes. Just water them manually. So you can see there's plenty of roots in there. And those 3 plants there are ready to go. I just haven't got a home for them. These are leeks, spring onions in this aquaponics flood and dry. Oh, it's not. It's just a constant flow. So we're eating these leeks now, and spring onions. We're doing really well. So we've eaten some whole in here.